welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute that I made a video, but here we are. Number one, divide them into like smaller sections so you don't overwhelm yourself with like the whole entire thing. Number two, you should watch the dance first before you start learning it. Like, you will catch so many details, so many things you think that might not be there. Like, it will be there after like you film and everything. You watch yourself, you're like, oh shoot, I didn't do this thing, or I didn't do that thing. You will like find so many small details that you missed. Learn the upper body movements first. So like some finger details, where the head tilts, like should it be like so many times I would see myself tilt my head like the complete opposite way. Like my head, like I would tilt my head way too much to the left or to the right. So yeah, you should not do that, and like you should actually take it slow and like do things one by one. So like your head, your shoulders, your finger details, and then move on to your like lower body. Like check your footwork. Is your feet in the correct position? Do you lean to the left or to the right? So yeah, check these details. Practice in the mirror and record yourself. Like I know a lot of you may already like look at yourself in the mirror and like practice in front of the mirror, but then you should also record yourself after you have a gist of what's going on. When I first started learning dance, I would look myself in the mirror and then I'll be like, okay, I'm ready, let's go, and then I film myself, and then there will be so many things I'm doing wrong. So yeah, take things slow in front of the mirror, then record yourself so you see what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right. While you are dancing, focus in one direction. Like you want to have a focus point. Like put a plant in front of you. Like for example, me, my focus point will be this camera. If I film a cover video, I will look here, you know, look here at you guys, because you guys are my center point. And then obviously you don't just like not move, like you still want to like move around. You can move like horizontally, but then you have to learn how to naturally come back to the middle and focus on your center point. Practice your facials, have confidence. Like you think you may look like this way, but then when you look yourself in the mirror, your facials look completely different. So yeah, you want to like, you know, watch like fan cams, like what kind of facials, what kind of vibe you want to give off with your dance. Also another thing, outfits. Like if you like find the outfit that goes along with the... My battery is about to die, but anyways, let's wrap this up. I got this. Anyways, like when you dress up and you're in the outfit as your idols, you will feel more of like the vibe, like what you're trying to go for and the concept. So yeah, get into character and like feel confident, facials, you know, everything. Use your headphones, earbuds, whatever, and put it in your ears and listen to the beats and tempo carefully, so you know like you're doing the right moves and you're not going too fast or too slow. This is like a really annoying tip for me, but like it really helps. I will rewatch the video over and over again, and I will keep listening to the same song over and over again. Like it gets tiring and so you get sick of the song. The good side of this tip is that you will actually be able to get better at it and like get familiar with the beats and dance. Seek people who have the same interests as you. You can do like you can do duo covers. You see other people dance around you. You will learn from them. You ask them for help. You can ask them to teach you. Like have fun with it. Take breaks, because you will be burned out. You will get sick of it. You will be like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore. You will feel that way, and it's all normal. It's okay. That's how I feel at times. I have come across paths where like I'm too busy with schoolwork, too busy with my own personal life. Like I will not want to do dance, so I will take breaks. Take things slow, because when you take things slow, you have more time to grow with your progress, with what you already have. So yeah, and it also like trains your patience. I would say that you should exercise. Well, I don't really like, you know, a lot of people don't like exercising, but like when you exercise, it really shows in your dance. Like you will have more power, you will have more energy to like continue your dance. Workout will be like your abs, because when you work your abs, you can like, it helps with your center point. So it will make your dance look cleaner and you look better. Try to watch different people's covers when you watch different people's covers, you will see like not everyone do the same thing. Like everyone will have their own style to it. After looking over a lot of people's covers, choose one of the covers that you really like or it's easy to learn from, and like just keep watching it and watching the video over and over again. I would say don't over practice. Don't over practice. Like if you think this is the best you can do, and then it's good enough. So you don't want to just be stuck in one dance. In the beginning, you get frustrated. You will feel like, why am I not getting better? Why is this like not working for me? Why do everyone else look so good except for me? You gotta like believe in yourself. Like good things take time. Like so cheesy, but like it's true. Like you have to be patient with yourself. You will feel tired and like burn out at times, and that's okay. Find some dance tutorials from YouTubers, and some YouTubers that I suggest would be like Ellen and Brian. That they're really good. Ellen and Brian, JIRI. I will try to link them in the description below. But yeah, and I guess that'll be all my tips tonight. Hope this helps you, and if you have any specific questions, just leave it in the comment section below. I will try to like answer back, reply back, and help you. Or you can go to my Instagram. It's called dancevideo16. I will link it in my description or like leave it here. I don't know. And I hope I get to talk to you guys more like this. But yeah, bye.